Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video.
I'm the porter, man. Better yourself, man. I mean, I get a link, you know. Hey, man. Just go on to the good work, my brother. Hey, man, you do a very good work, brother. I'm not lie. Yes, man. Proud of you, brother. Long time we need smile like you, brother. If you can talk for the people, them.
Well, in all honesty, normally, you know, some things are, you find some joke in it, but it's another joking thing. No. Imagine, the man at the top of the thumbnail that you're looking at. His name is Uglisome. You know him, a big PMP LGBTQ plus blogger on YouTube. You know, if you want to get dumber, you just tune into him, cause. Hey, the reason why I said that, hey, boy, honestly, I tell you, God should. I never mean to laugh still, but you know, so, say, Uglisome, man, him call a brother, we come from Waterhouse near Ratty. Uglisome, man, and Ratty and some other one in name Herb and all of them people that are my friend, So Uglisome did feel to say through them using platform, man, my friend. But him never know say them no say man him dance. Cause behind him, but no. Them say Uglisome do police test 7 times and fail. So so Uglisome do police test 7 times and fail. So in the point to not him, when I tell people so Ratty them say him and the big fat brother and him Francis, and them say them can't make him talk to the intelligent people make him stay at the film quarters. And Herb say, oh, yeah, the people don't understand film language because him left to people forgot about choose them. So, boy, I tell them, me have stitches. So them have a thing over Canada, a diaspora thing. So the man them don't discuss and say, so them tell him, so them tell Uglisome say boy era. You say in time we go in the room there, but I come inside there, you go in the next one with your corrouse them cause we know why you come inside and come embarrass you. So them never telling me that way still, them use big words the Uglisome not understand. So say I one piece of fighting and them thing there. But cut a long story short now. So somebody from Rockford sent me this, I don't know, Them said this man a Uglisome son, but him not own. And him dep on TikTok a blog every day. And them a say, boy, he mouth like a grabber. If you know what grabber mean, grabber is something, you know, he used to dig up. Sure, me not even I can use the word there. So them say him look like grabber. So them say, boy, a Uglisome son. So, you know, so because Uglisome now, so they must say Uglisome need to buy him comrade son a set of false teeth. And boy, me I tell you, say the man mouth look terribly, you know, man. And the man no shame. Every day him on social media, I saw the man mouth look, you know. I don't know how him now no self-awareness or shame and him thing there. And the man no got doc, the man them there, them no got dentist, you know. And guess what him there preach? Politics too, you know. And guess what? Him don't even know, say, I don't know, but if my memory serve me right, cause I know say them gay. One brother when him name a comrade Polak or something like that, or something on Twitter. Them give him Tufton, Christopher Tufton, give him false teeth. Then give him all a foot. Then give him all a false foot. Cause anytime I walk him a drop. And then them give him crutches. So I don't know, I can't try that. But I must say Uglisome son. And the man have no shame rasta. But Uglisome can start a GoFundMe for him son. And you stop ignoring him still though. But man, what a ugly thing, rasta, believe you me, that brother here. Me never said nothing ugly so in my life. No sir. But guess what? So him somebody send me a video of him and him thing with him and enjoy himself. So I don't know him start get aware of himself, and me I tell you, the man put on a piece of smile in there, but him not show the teeth. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. So him that see me. My God. But I wonder if all the man have a girlfriend, Rasta. Because female supposed to why female supposed to like Patrick Roberts? I'm tell you already, say Patrick Roberts but never smell wonderful at all. So all the man had depend. Hey, you know, say all them thing there. If you have all a man like this on social media, advertise way my do. It's a big insult and disrespect to social media and platforms. I'm not supposed to depend it, because the man, you know, you're supposed to be presentable, man. But I tell you, so since life so it's like the family Uglisome and him children, and them go through some things, because Uglisome now, after Vive the Bullfrog cartel deny him application for Gaza Empire, cause Uglisome never see him never say a hustling when he can't go upon. Because, hey, guess what? You see all the same thing we go on in Canada with him and Ratty them and Herb and Rupert, big Pert. That type big brother, big fat brother, who was labor right turned PMP. So let me try for, hey, you see me, I tell you, say, if we ain't no government, the biggest government, I wish about the money there, because Uglisome, my man, we promote all of the demonstration against Jamaica. And him not getting a pay, him realize, say, boy, them get money and them thing there between Ratty and Herb and Rupert, and them not get Uglisome none. Whilst them give people them a $300 and them give Jamaican people them, and then give them $100. People them will demonstrate. But them pay for demonstrate, because you don't know, say, baby chump have money, you know. So, yeah, man, so as you did done say, Gaza boss, this Uglisome, tell him say him can't join the Empire team, because Uglisome too old, and him have a 40-year career, and the man a iron balloon. I don't know no DJ, no man in the music business for 40 years and him can't bust. Something wrong, man. The man, hey, may I tell you, imagine you do music with Capleton, you know boss. You do music with Sizzler, you know boss. Tiger. Well, Sean Paul, because hey, anybody who him touch still doing it, and not even Sean Paul. So you know, say Uglisome now, as a man, I'll do him a big comrade and pretend him although him a big criminal organization supporter and a free PMP. Uglisome a big informer to you, because you know much man from Rockfort, Uglisome sent a prison. So here now. So you have the one I tap now, Uglisome him a informer, and the man at bottom, him a child molester, you know. Yeah man, Juby. Him come from Moscow, corner Waterhouse. Them man they love them and them young, you know man. Just hold them and give me this. And get the girl pregnant. Yeah man, a dirty man. But Uglisome now go burn the fire upon him. And here now you have two a two-court dealer, and you know we have Jamaica have honest criminals. Yeah, of course. Jamaica only country, only island or country in the world we have honest criminals. And see them there. Buju Banton is an honest criminal, and Isaac Buchanan. Isaac Buchanan is a big rear admiral, and the man and I hide it, you know. Because the man they walk and hold out them body, you know, for them. And look at you see it, although the man they body, the man in the ram for use them body and get where them want, you know. And him now wear film pants, him now have film pants down on him body. Him wear film pants up on him waist. Because certain man can take off, why? Or certain man can take off film pants. I saw him on Vibes Cartel, you know. Hey, me I tell him man got prison and recruit cartel big, you know. You can't stay there, you must air cartel thing turn up. Well, Buju Banton must get film touched from Chief Curry, because Chief Curry, the man in a plane, man. You understand? So I hope Uglisome, you know, help out him son. Boy, I'm fixing man mouth, man, because man mouth look horrible. But then the man is not supposed to have a girlfriend still. Not even a mad woman that want a man like that. Because look when the man mouth, man, the man mouth look, not even chaka, but man mouth like a alien. And the man upon TikTok. Oh, people watch all them people there. You have to have strong so much. You understand? Because every time I done this, I not even keep all of them on the picture. Man. Uglisome, you need to take care of your son. And you can't just walk and just drop your seed all over them thing there, and you know own the youth and them thing there. I know him make him done. So I say, you know, chip no far from the block, you know. You understand? And that's why rather them, you know, them divide the crowd and give you your crowd. You understand? And you not say true you're illiterate, you not say insult them, and insult you when them give you a certain crowd for you to talk with. Because them know say if them talk to these people, they won't understand, because they're, you and them in the same category. You understand? Although you pretend like you're smart, you're not smart, nothing. It's just like the people them when you talk to, you're dumb, you know, but them dumber than you, that's why them follow you. Because no well-thinking or a seeing person wouldn't follow somebody like you, because listening to you can't learn anything. All you have been doing are them things, they're telling the people them lies. And you just look like sin too. Well, you know, so those of you who know Uglisome and thing, you can let him know say him son, you know, him son will not own. Him son need some teeth, man. He need to get the guy some teeth and fix him up on them thing there so him can smile, him not have to hide on them thing there. I mean, I have to ask, me not even listen anything, any program them him have, but man, you know, me not have to ask, because if a man can't keep him teeth clean, him can't, so you know, say him nasty, you know, and brush him teeth or him couldn't afford it, and not even salt, no, Rasta. Yeah, Uglisome, take care of your son and him thing there. And to you, the court dealers, yeah man, Jamaica have two honest criminals, Buju Banton and Isaac Buchanan. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.